This man has been trending over the weekend. Kevin Echo Taylor. Now, I want you to take a very critical look at what is on the screens. You see him in a plane. Okay, this is like a discarded plane. Okay, with you are
okay.
This is it. This is Kevin Taylor. Okay, watch closely. Watch closely. For Besamba.
Okay.
For Esamba. What you will see is Onenere and Nemba.
Okay.
So that's Kevin Taylor on the side, so this is a vivid picture of that. You can see all of them in this shot. I think let's pause this particular part now. For exactly. So with this particular part, let's make it bigger. So that is Kevin Taylor. And that is your friend is saying. The wife, Niri Jan in China, you know, a friend is a Washington Post, one of our more editors. US average, the leading newspaper in US, one of our chief editors. I don't know. And Kevin Taylor, and the Baba any Kutana or top on, and a Bakusuni Jan in chain. Definitely half cast and a Caucasian. Now, Kevin Taylor, Eka say, or Bagan or Casa, or call your friend is saying, Kumasi. Okay. So he was wearing this same outfit or so.
Okay.
And also touchdown in Kumasi. A one amount for an activity or more machines. He said, share. Touchdown in Kumasi, Oba Ebebo to Ekun. Oba Ebebo to Ekun. Inti a 1 year to say yes. Kevin Taylor actually wanted to go to Kumasi. Okay. But then Ohun said and I quickly Odu Kumasi no say no. I did a bit my critical. Even if I'm alone, I can face them. Meet me in national security.
But now I
what
have
about
my
the
family.
Children? Exactly. And we see a flight in redirected to be mine. So be mine so Ben is in this particular country region. Yeah, probably into screen so I'm reading my.
All right. So Ibrahim Mahama.
Yes. So Ibrahim Mahama no, and yet the richest man here. Ibrahim Mahama,
president.
But then this is a guy or arts.
Okay.
Okay. Odi trust. You be play video be man confirm exactly where we are coming from.
Okay. I see hosted Kelvin Taylor Kelvin Taylor with his beautiful family at Red Clay in Tamale to see a permanent public collection. Red Clay is admission free and open to the general public and open all week to the general public. And until more patches say, baby, I Red Clay, baby, I say, art be a cost to our honum. One yama bebre collections bebre wo honum inti eneno akwesi 1 week no bakra be hwe bibi wo honum kwa wuntua gate fee wuntua bibia eno ane se obesiesie wo kama na waba na wakohwehwe bi ne wetwetwa pictures ania Kelvin Taylor no so wetwetwa pictures.
Now let's put this particular video. This video explains where we are heading towards.
Okay.
Osha, this is the place. Inti enyema yejija discarded things from there at inti osha nkola kra ra so kotamela bicycle ne de etrim obia obuzanga ne
exactly emma nkoda obia
exactly inti you could see here say collection mbofa ni twemu no ubehun itade ubumbatakali ubehun crate titi no say na crate na ndua you see all of them.
I think these are also shoemaker boxes
into omo de niama we discarded speakers in Tomawo and omo de aye an art center.
Okay,
what I say, and as you can see they've even hang some of the arts on the wall. This is a very beautiful place. I like to visit there whenever I go to Tamale. So this is the place apparently, Kevin Taylor Ekoye.
Okay.
Oh, so in Kolomo Yadi, when I'm riding in circles, Charlie, Krum Hoyede. Artwork never wore no one. So this is the place apparently Kevin Taylor and then Ekoye. Now it is a year, your friend is a Kumasi for so, or more party say, Oba, they will take him down. Now it can be to us,
right. Then Red Clay Honum a contemporary art and baby uncle for betting me about art like Nyama Yedi and Saye, Nyama Yedi and Sanyane, and Sanyamano, and Nunti a art space, savannah, and I say what the northern region, just say Tamale to be specific. It is open to the public, and Nunti say Obi interest in art, that person can visit there. And Kelvin Taylor, no, the reason why our only visitation has sparked a lot of controversies online. They say, send a udi kan no. Obi ana emra no wa brochi memu no na o ka say ono say no bo government echi or bo party echi or sanso bo your friend say ohini bi nso echi e wa Ghana ha say no bo ohini bi echi pa wa Ghana ha say na me pese me bodin so wa bodin a na eche say no no
anka so ni
enu ti edu baby na nkofo threaten Kelvin Taylor ka che ni say da obedu Ghana ha na ye be chi na jeli no na on di one day kura wa outside dem man ni nje na all of a sudden papa na fe de wa ba o koto ona onam ha ochina onam ha na nkofo ka say wo de wa bomodin wa ba Ghana na wo party na wo power enu nti ye betimi aka say protection na kakra wo ho but we ye bema ene tutu na Kumasi na udu Kumasi nso a ment na okokejetia
Jesus
na ye hu se ampa we ye bema enti sa video we ba ya nkofo hu se Kelvin na o chilling yes yo chilling na o chilling de ya tiase na mom bomodin na challenge yourself na Kumasi na ye hu se ampa we ye bema eno na nkofo kan ye mra sa video e pictures ye beto dwa people were very mentally kind say almost all controversial kakra because nipa na mom no Kelvin Taylor na mom say very controversial enti sa na nkofo kan say obetumi a no ye bema on kire so ye bema no Kumasi ne ye nhwe
but apparently no sa video no pussy or shot at and we learned say the flight redirected to Tamale. Meaning say I know you saw as a transitor, but I think say flight to Tamale there's no transit said because we do so see Kumasi airport and not twice so I don't know. But then the good thing is but let's look at this threat air course against Kelvin Taylor. Is it warranted? Maybe more parties it is warranted. Osha, is it something that we should condone because no man focus or the violence and the violence be share.
All right, me mom did I met to me I can say wunya akwenya say obeba internet so ana on an airspace ana radio so TV so to talk her. But more than say ube to me I express your opinions without insult.
Okay.
But more than say ube to me I express whatever your thoughts wa dream treno can in such a way emfa disrespect embre obi. Na Kelvin Taylor obi a yenim say our fact because sometimes to me due niema my information I just any ho for public knowledge you know otimi di babe fine inti who pass out information to the public then you do it in a way oboni be friend in a like in a decorum now wa me obu aba ho but uye ni in a way quite say utu weni esi nkofo bi so ana penin bi so na se bi wa bo na chi na wa kan se ma ense na mfata de that chi no there's nothing in this world that emphasize consequences everything has its own consequences and until whatever it is no said that the consequences enama I'm sure he will have it but if there's nothing to like that and so sometimes nature can let you be free sometimes karma can come for you however it is no media my advice to people out there and they say when you get the opportunity to talk but more than say you will season your words why say ma obeke bia no but more than who say nya wonko na wenya opportunity na na wo kasa no cause ochine bi no e bia na o party any power bio yamfa example they say chama wuntumi die yi chama wuntumi den na chama wuntumi anka wo Ghana ha say odene sesi ne bo e kansem akese enenso ene no where is he ene ne voice with him ono say na me de nya Ghana ni bio so you have to know say power wo ho e transient anything can happen situation betumi asesa tables can turn now you find yourself at a disadvantaged position as a who be shepa into any time I'll be an opportunity to say something you say it in such a way and affect you be and disrespect you be na se kobane say why ye bibi sample na who they learn from the mighty minority learn from them but na be pacho because one pacho na say that asem no ezuawa you would have yourself to blame.
Yeah, you have yourself
to blame.
So that's exactly what is really going on in terms of Kumasi Sisia, what is really happening. I just say Ubia Eka one sem, I just say Enya sem Ketua. But unfortunately, no, we are learning that Kelvin Taylor hasn't made his way yet to Kumasi.